Today I will teach some important basic concepts of solution chapter. You know that solutions are universal importance in all the field. All our body fluids are solution. 1 parts per million of a fluoride ions in water prevents tooth decay. Coming to the definition of solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances whose composition can be varied within certain limits. Is known as solution. You know, the chemical substances which are mainly used to prepare solutions are known as components. Depending upon the number of components, solutions may be classified as binary, tertiary or quaternary. So coming to the binary solution, the solution in which two types of components are present, then it is known as binary. Binary solutions are mainly made up of two chemical substances. Out of these two chemical substances, one is known as solute and another one is solvent. You know, solute is a chemical substance which is present in a lesser quantity, and the solvent is a substance which is present in a large quantity. Or in another way, solute the chemical substances which dissolves in a given solvent, and the solvent, it may be defined as the substances in which dissolution process take place. Depending upon the physical state of the solute and solvent, there are 9 types of a solution. Among the first type is gaseous solution. In this classification, if the solute is gas and solvent is also gas, then it is known as gas in gas. So best example where for this mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, where in air, N2O2 in air. If the solute is in a liquid state and again your solvent is gas, then best example for this chloroform is mixed with dinitrogen gas, N2 gas. If the solute is solid and the gas is again solvent is gas, then best example for this camphor in nitrogen gas. Second type, liquid solution. Again the solute is gas, solvent is liquid. Gas in liquid. Best example, carbon dioxide in water. Liquid in liquid, ethanol in water. Again, solid in liquid. So many examples you can give. That may be a salt solution, sugar solution, etc. Coming to the third type, that is solid solution. If the solute is gas, solvent is solid, best example, gases where in a solid, all the gaseous molecule which get accumulated over on the surface of a metal, like hydrogen gases over on the surface of palladium, platinum. This process is also known as occlusion. Accumulation of the gaseous molecule over on the surface of a metal. If the solute is liquid and the solid is and the solvent is solid, best example where for this one, that is mercury being a liquid state, so with sodium metal, this is known as amalgam or sodium amalgam. If the solute is solid, solvent also solid. Best example, all the alloys. For example, you take copper metal that one taken or dissolved wherein gold. So all these are the 9 type of what you call solution. Make it more clear, if the solvent is water, such types of a solutions are known as aqueous solution. If the solvent is other than water, maybe organic solvent, such types of a solutions are known as non-aqueous solution.